is about life. It's about preserving the ecosystem. It's preserving the wildlife. As I say, for me, it means everything. In general, everybody wanna help and protect the forest, but there is, I think, miscommunication between communities, between NGOs, between governments, and everybody, I think, want to do the same, but still people who is involved, like similar job I do, needs to also help all those gaps, and in order to be more effective and more efficient, and every effort, every resources we could get it, so should be put it in the forest. So that's the goal. Work together. We really need to work together for the big idea, and to have a place like a big garden, a place where you can come and see wilderness in the natural habitat, and not missing species that we only tells or show picture or tells story about. Oh, we used to have this species, now there isn't anymore. That's so sad. The idea is, luckily, there is no missing species so far. It means it's time to look after now. Now is very, very. This is the very crucial time. This is to do now or never.